What up? We are back with another video, a very highly anticipated and asked for video lately. A lot of people have been asking me, what's my GoPro setup? What do you use? What type of mic do you use? How do you have your GoPro set up on your helmet, and what helmet do you use? So first things first, I want to welcome you guys back. For those of you subscribers who have been here for some time now, if you're new to my channel right now, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload a video. So if you're asking yourself what helmet do I use a very simple helmet. It's not the best helmet in the world. At the time when I got it, it was what I was able to afford. So this is a Biltwell lane splitter helmet. It's a pretty cool, badass looking helmet. I have my YouTube name under there on the side. I have my Supreme sticker there on top. I ended up changing out the shield to this metallic chrome looking shield right here. It looks really good. I love it. This helmet does get a lot of airflow in the front, which is good for summer and springtime, but in the cold weather like it is right now, it sucks because there's no way of you shutting it inside. So you're just getting that cold air all day. I really wish that they would come out with some type of mechanism where you're able to just lock it in or open it at your convenience, but that's not the case. But besides that, it's a pretty good helmet. It's pretty sturdy, and I like it. I like it a lot. Now you're probably asking yourself, what do I need for a GoPro setup? And it took me a long time before I did the setup. I went on YouTube, I watched countless videos back and forth, and I couldn't find any good ones. Blockhead had a good one, Bike and Bird had a good one, and Chase on Two Wheels had a good one. Besides that, every other video that I was trying to see on how I was able to get this GoPro on my helmet wasn't that informative. So I'm gonna try to be very detailed with you guys. I'm gonna try to give you all the information that I can to the best of my ability to help you out there. Because the more motor vloggers we have out there, the better this community becomes. That's just my opinion. I think this should just be more of us sharing this passion for riding and just sharing it out with the whole world. So first things first, you're first gonna need a GoPro, right? So once you get your GoPro, you go buy it at your Target, Walmart, Amazon, eBay, wherever you wanna buy it. You're gonna get this casing that's gonna come inside of it, right? So this casing, it's like a cage. You put the GoPro inside of it. But prior to doing that, the GoPro on the side has a little latch right here that I took off right there. So it's supposed to be like a waterproof little gap thing. So once the lid is there, you could, dip this in the water and it won't be flooded. But I had to take it off because without that lid being there, we won't be able to adapt the battery, the mic adapter, and everything else that we need. So first things first, you get your GoPro. You pop that little lid open, you got your cage that comes with your package. You're gonna go ahead, you're gonna put your GoPro inside, just like that. Lock it in on top, right? Now you're also gonna have this pin, and right in the bottom of the cage, you'll see that there's a latch that you can put this pin right through. That's gonna lock the mechanism in there, and right in between there is where it's gonna lock with the chin mount, which we'll go over next. So once you have your GoPro, you're gonna want to find a good chin mount. The one I have is okay, I got it on Amazon. Everything that I got here, we'll put the links in the bottom for the stuff that I got from Amazon. This is the chin mount that I have. It was maybe 15, 20 bucks. I don't remember the price, the actual price, but it's gonna be down low. It's really cheap. Really, it might be like 15 bucks if anything. And it's gonna come with a bag full of adapters, like the one that the GoPro brings right there. So you're gonna want to find a good spot on your helmet where you're gonna be able to have your camera right in front of you. I tend to not like the camera to be on the side of the helmet right here. I just really don't like that view. Right in the front for me is the best position, and trust me, it's taking me a long time to find the perfect position to get a view of what's in front of me, a little piece of the tank and my bars and everything, because everybody likes to see a little bit of everything, So it's taken me a long time to get the perfect little angle, and I finally got that. All right, so once you have your GoPro and you have your chin mount, the next thing you're gonna wanna get is this ugly horrific big piece that you see right here. This is what GoPro has done to us. So as you can see right here, this piece is humongous. It's huge. So the only way for you to adapt your mic to your GoPro is by buying this adapter that costs $50. $50 for this, that's a lot of money. That's the only way you're gonna be able to get the mic adapted to this. So the mic gets adapted in there, right? I have this Velcroed onto the helmet, and then you have this USB port here that gets attached to the GoPro like that, which is a headache. So once you have your GoPro, and this is the 7, your chin mount, your $50 dongle, which I think is called $50 GoPro dongle, mic adapter, you're gonna need a good mic. And it took me like 5 or 6 mics. You guys know, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you see my old videos, the sound at first sucked. It was horrific, and I tried one. One didn't work. The second one didn't work. The third one sucked. The fourth one sucked. I finally found a good one. It's amazing. It sounds good. You guys let me know what the sound quality is like. I think it's pretty good at this point. And I got that installed. So that one was about $50. They have cheaper ones, 30, 20 bucks, but they're not gonna work as good. So I'm gonna show you real quick how I have that mic inside adapted. Also that mic, the company is Squid. That's the company name, right? So I got my cheek pad in here. I took my cheek pad out, which as you can see right there, it unbuttons. And right in here is where I have my mic. And I have my dead cat on it. You need to get yourself a dead cat because even if it's in the chin mount, you're gonna get some wind in there, so you're gonna want to cover it up. You got your dead cat to protect it from all that fuzzy sound. Put it in there. Right in the front is where I like it. And you buckle it back in. Now, as you can see, this is gonna be for the dongle. For the dongle, I use a Velcro piece that I put right there, then the other piece which sticks onto it on the dongle right there. Real nice and easy. It comes with the sticky part already. So I put that on there. I found a good location for my mount. So this is very nice. This just slits right in there as you can see. So I'm gonna show you a nice little close-up video how that looks. Pretty nice, right? And then right in the front is where the GoPro is gonna slide. Put it right in there. You have your little plug right here that we're gonna screw on. Once that's screwed on, you take your dongle, you plug it into the side. Let me just move this over a little more. And now you have a mic setup. And that's it, you're all set. You are all set. That is my GoPro setup. Very nice and easy. This arm is pretty good. You're able to adjust it forward, back, if you want to pop out more. It's pretty good and it's pretty cheap for the price that I paid for. I'm very happy with it. Now, depending on what helmet you have, you might not need this. Some helmets come with a nice little flap from the front. You're able to just stick the GoPro right in the front, and that's all you need. You don't need this piece right here. Unfortunately, I could have done it with this, but I kind of didn't want to stop all that wind flow at the same time because sometimes I like to ride with the helmet and not vlog, and if it's summertime, I want to get some good airflow in there. So I just didn't want to cover that up. And it takes away from the whole ventilation, the whole look, the whole Bane type of look that this helmet has. That's it, man. If you guys have any questions, drop the comments down below. I hope this video was very, very helpful for you guys. New to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. I try to upload at least twice a week, 3 times a week sometimes. I currently ride a 2020 Lowrider S, which I love, and I'm building out little by little. Next week, the seat gets here, guys. We're gonna be doing the seat install. I'm super hyped about that. That bike is gonna look super badass with that seat. Right after that, we got some goodies coming in for Christmas as well. And by the springtime, that bike is gonna be looking, mamma mia. Beautiful, beautiful. Like always, guys, ride safe, enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was very helpful. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them down below. Catch you in the next one. Peace. And don't forget, pound that shit, son.